Hello, I'm in a 2014 Ford Focus, and today I'm going to show you how to add your windshield wiper fluid. So first I'm going to make sure it's open, which this currently is, and then I'll go to the passenger side. And typically you'll find a funnel, like a tube that sticks up right here, that's got a little windshield wiper fluid cap on top. For whatever reason, this particular car I've got, it likes to wiggle out and disappear as I drive. So you can see the reservoir right down here. So this, you could pour directly into this if you want. Ideally, you want to replace that tube. They're pretty inexpensive to get from any auto parts place or from something like Amazon online. I may, next time I do it around, because I've replaced this like 3 times, I might just glue it in there, tape it in somehow so it doesn't keep wiggling out. But it would just slide right into here, and you'll pour, whether it's like a funnel, directly into this or into your tube with your jug of windshield wiper fluid. You can fill it all the way to the top if you'd like, and then close it up. And always with these kind of systems, once you fill it, double check there's no leaks. Easiest way, since these sometimes get cracks in the reservoirs, is once it is full, you'll just wait and see if you've got a puddle forming under your car with wiper fluid. But I hope this is helpful. You have a wonderful day.